So I've been sent a PlayStation 2, the slimline version. Now, the owner has told me that it needs a laser because it's not reading a disc, and a friend of his has a play around with the potentiometers and still nothing happening with it. But he left it for a bit, chucked it in the side, whatever, left it for a bit, and then when he decided, oh, I'm going to go and get a laser, he decided to switch it on just one last time and see, and he said, it doesn't even power on now, nothing's happened. Nothing's happening. So what we'll do is we'll have a look. So I'm going to put the power lead in. Yeah, it's definitely no light there. Right, so that's a fairly accurate assessment. There's nothing happening. Now I did ask, when he described the problem, I did ask if it's been dropped or anything like that, and he said no, but then he said he can't remember if it's been dropped. So take that as you will. I think that means it's been dropped or thrown or it's fallen, but it's had some sort of impact, I bet. Anyway, let's take a look. So before we go any further, please like and subscribe, because I'm worth it, the advert said. But let's roll that intro. Right, intro's out the way. Let's get into it. Right, so see, this has been opened before, but you know, that's not a shocker, is it? The thing's God knows how many years old. Oh, take a look. Can you see? Dun, 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 dun. There is no screw there. Battery's been changed. Unless that screw is lying around in here, it looks like I'll be butchering parts of another one I got here. But anyway, let's get this laser out. Oh, that's better. That's just the laser out. What's going on here then? Because there's a screw end here, and that's meant for this side. I don't think I've been told the full story here, have I? Right. Right, let's get these screwed done. Open it up. That one out the way. Let's spin him over. Is that a screw that's going in there? Yeah. That's not meant to be there. I think it's meant to be there. It goes in that way. Yeah, it does, because the metal's pushing out, look. Anyway. Interesting. Oh. Now I can remove this one. Right, let's have a look. Well, I have to play our back. Looks like the problem's just jumped out at me, literally. So it's a 470. Turn it around the right way. 470 by 4 volts. 470 microfarad by 4 volts. And it obviously goes there. What's these like then? They're a bit wobbly. But first off, we've got to replace that. And I haven't got any of these. So I'm going to have to put a through hole on it. What capacitors have I got? So what did I say it was? 470 by 4, wasn't it? Yeah, 470 by 4. I'm not going to have one of them, I don't think. I got 470 by 10. That'll be doing us. So let me just check. Yep, there we are, look. 470 by 10. So that'll be the boy. Let's put my soldering iron on. What we have to do now as well is figure out where this is going to go. Being a through hole, so I'm going to have to bend it. So negatives are on that side. If I trim that down a bit. I'm definitely convinced it was dropped down. Or it's had some sort of brush with violence at least. No, that's not going to work now. Oh, am I going to do this? So I'm going to have to make one where the positive is short, but the negative's longer. So we're going to need to get another one. I'll put that one back in, because we can use that at some point, I dare say. Right, where is it? 470, 16. 470, 10, 4th across. So 470, 10. So if we have that longer, let's try that. I think that might work. Let's tin this up a bit. Right, here's the fun and games a bit now. I do this without, I'm trying to do this so you can see, but I don't think that's going to be possible. Wait there. Just get this one in first. He's in. Push that one down now. So I get the tweezers and just push that one into place. I'm just going to put a dab more on the top, just to cover it. Right. Oh, I put it the right way around, haven't I? Yeah. Right, so that's that one in. Let's just have a little nose around while we're here. Get you in a bit. Come on, you know you want to. They seem to be alright. It's a bit wobbly, isn't it? I think it's just the plastic degrading a bit. So ultimately, I can't see anything else. But also, we got the laser wasn't in properly. This will be a short video now if this works. Let's put that in there. Put that down in there. Right, so I've stripped what is now a donor version. I've got the screw. Right, let's see where we are. Hey, look at this. So, Oh, you can hear it all powering up. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? That's immense. Right, happy with that. Job done. Like I said, I'm not going to try and plug and play it because I know it doesn't work. There we have it. It's quite simple, really. But I think it has been dropped, to be honest with you. But it's definitely been taken apart because the laser screw was missing and so on, and it wasn't inside there. But anyway, until the next time, ta-ra!